Hello friends, welcome back to the push-up power challenge, day 4. How are you doing? I hope you got your first 3 days in, and if you didn't, I'm linking it down below so you can get your first variation of push-ups, targeting a different muscle group today or sometime tomorrow, whenever you can. Today we are doing the diamond push-up, targeting the triceps. Yeah, the bad wings, the part of our body we wish we can hide all year through. We're doing 10 repetitions, 2 sets. Tomorrow we add in 1 more set, and after tomorrow 2 more sets, totaling 4 sets. And our powerful word of the day and for the next 3 days is self-empowered. I am confident in my own ability to create positive changes and take control of my mind, body, and life. Would you repeat it with me? I am self-empowered. I am confident in my own ability to create positive changes and take full control of my mind, body, and my life. How did that feel? Just a few reminders before we start. Remember to keep an eye on your form. Make sure you keep your body in a straight line, engage your core, and keep nice breathing rhythm. If you can complete all the reps all at once, you can do less or you can modify it. You can use your knees or you can do it on the wall for support. This one is very important. Listen to your body and take a break if you need to. We'll take 30 to 60 seconds breaks in between sets. Yes, I would love for you to challenge yourself, but remember the progress takes time. Just keep going. Strength will develop. Last but not least, make sure you warm up before you start. Here are some exercises, some warm-up routines that you can do before you start, or you can do your own. Some jumping jacks, a little bit running in place. We'll do just a few minutes. Go take a look at those and see you in a few. As you can see, I'm wearing gloves today. I need some support for my wrists. Not that they're bothering me, but I just want to prevent. But if they are bothering you, feeling some discomfort, I highly recommend that you do get a pair of gloves. You can find them in the description down below, or you can get your own, shop around, do your thing, but wear some support, okay? Another thing I'm wearing that you can see is a training belt. This helps me to keep it compressed and tight. Remember, even though we're targeting the triceps today, I still want you to think core, abs, yes? Keep it nice and tight, and also glutes. Engage the whole lower body. Are we ready? All right, let's get this done. We're gonna place our hands directly under our shoulders. Now for the diamond push-up, we're going to create a diamond with our hands. That means that we are going to get our arms closer to each other, right? So we did it right here the other day. Now we're going to be right here. Yes, those arms closer to each other, but we're not gonna go sideways like that. We're gonna go back, right? We're gonna let our arms do this. Yes, not this, but the elbows are gonna go back like that. Elbows are gonna go back. Yes, and we're gonna try to keep those elbows as close to our body as possible. So again, from this angle, gonna try to create a diamond. It doesn't have to be like an exact diamond, but somewhere there. The idea is to get the arms closer to each other so that way we can engage the triceps when we let the elbows drop back. We're gonna let them go back, and then we use those triceps to push back up. Keep the elbows as close to your body. Don't go forward like this. Wanna keep our chest right in the center. Just like that, engage the triceps and push back. Using triceps. You should be feeling it all right here. For those that need extra support, you're doing this for the first time, I recommend that you use your knees. Right? Keep the knees on the floor. For those that feel more confident doing this exercise, I say at least keep one knee on the floor until you get the movement right. Or you can use no support. Remember, don't do that. Align the neck with the spine. Yes? All right. I want you to see how the triceps work when we're doing it, okay? All right. Support, no support, up to you, my dear. Do your best, okay? And don't worry, you'll get stronger. One day you're going to see yourself using your knees. Okay, that's the goal. Okay, here we go. one is done. Have something to drink if you want to. My throat gets a little dry, maybe because I'm talking. Alright, let's release any tension. If you need more than 30 seconds or a minute, by all means, take the time to recover, okay? Something that I get asked a lot is, how do I breathe? Okay, so when you are doing your push-up, you're going to inhale as you start going down. And you're gonna exhale as you push yourself back up. Yes? In through the nose, out through your mouth as you push yourself back up. Yes? All right. Who remembers the word of the day? I am self-empowered. Self-empowerment. Self-empowered. I am self-empowered. I am confident in my own ability to create positive changes and take full control of my mind, body, and life. I want you to feel confident about what you're doing. It's not just about the physical. Where the mind goes, the body follows. If you set your mind about the things that are going to move you forward physically, trust me, you're set to go. So let's get a little bit of work done here so we can continue moving towards that fitness, health goal that you have. Perhaps you want to just improve your strength, get more strength, eat healthier, whatever it is, all starts here. I am self-empowered. I am confident in my own ability to create positive changes in my body, mind, and life. Let's get the second one done. To it. Yes, we did it. Remember, hit subscribe, ring the bell so you'll be notified of our next set of days targeting a different muscle group in our push-up or with the push-up challenge. Tomorrow, you're adding one more set, and after tomorrow, day 6, you're adding 2 more sets for a total of 4 sets. 4 sets, that's it. And on day 7, I'll come back with a different exercise targeting a different muscle group, and I'll be bringing a different word, a powerful word that is going to help us get stronger mentally, emotionally, that is going to catapult us, move us faster to where we want to go, where we want to be, what we want to do. Keep up the good work. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for doing your best. I know you are doing your best. Thank you so much. I love you all. Take care. Have a fantastic day. Okay? Bye.